My name is Tourist Jackie Stone from Colombia. Today I am in local toilet. Okay, I'm finished it. But today I am with my tour guide from Brazil and their wife. This called the Tazarinho from Brazil and their wife. And the other side called the Norinho, Tazarinho's wife. I'm so sexed to see this couple. Oh wow, I think this is Tanzanian fish supermarket. I take a video for these fish children in order to my wife and my grandpa to laugh it.
This is more fish rice is amazing by using with ugali without any mboga, which is in Swahili called kulumangia.
This is Tarangire Zoo and the animal owner. I am so surprised to arrive Tarangire Zoo. I see something there. I think this is elephant daughters. I am so sexed to see those animals. My tour guide is very humble. Tazarinho is so sexed to touch this lion. The lion is very peace. I don't know why people say lion is very dangerous. My tour guide Tazarinho is very sexed to explain this lion, but is very educated. Tazarinho is very humble. This tour guide is very educated. Wow, I am so excited. Asante sana Tazarinho, nimehamasika sana kuona uwepo wako. Wacha leo nikupe zawadi kutoka Colombia. Jiunge na programu ya 1xBet ambayo ukijiunga kwa mara ya kwanza unapata bonus ya 300% endapo utatumia promo code ya Wizi25 ambayo linki yake iko kwenye bio yake ya Wizi Comedian. Fanya hivyo ili uweze kuishi maisha ya Kikolombia.
Mama yangu, game over.